Hey book lovers, you just finished an amazing book and you are dying to talk about it. But when you sit down to write a review, nothing comes to mind. What do you say? How do you explain? And what made the book great? Or maybe not so great without just rambling. Well, you are in the right place. Today I am going to break down exactly how to write better and more engaging book reviews. Even if you are a complete beginner, you will learn a simple structure, insider tips, and even mistakes to avoid. By the end of this video, you will be writing book reviews that people actually want to read. So grab your favorite book and let's get started. Part 1. Why should you write book reviews? First thing first, why should you even write book reviews? I mean, can't people just read the back cover? Well, not exactly. Well, book reviews help readers discover new books, understand if a book is worth their time, and spark discussion. Plus, they can even help authors and publishers. And here is something most people don't realize. Writing book reviews also makes you a better reader. It trains your critical thinking, helps you remember key lessons, and even improves your writing skill. So, whether you want to share your love for books, build a blog, or start a book YouTube channel, learning to write better book reviews is a powerful skill. Let's move to now part 2. The simple structure for a great book reviews. Now let's break it down into an easy and repeatable format. You can use it every single time. Here is a 5-step structure for writing a strong, well-balanced reviews. Step 1. The hook and quick summary. Start your review with a catchy opening. Here is the idea. Ask a question. What if the fate of the world depends on one possible decision? Make a bold statement. This book is completely changed how I see the world. Use a personal connection. As someone who loves thrillers, I had high expectation from this book. Did it deliver? After your hook, give a brief spoiler-free summary. Just a few sentences explaining the basic premise of the book without giving away major plot twist. Step 2. What you liked. Talk about the strength of the book. Did the characters feel real? Was the writing style engaging? Did the book make you think or feel deeply? Pro tip, use a specific example. Instead of saying, I liked the main character, say, I loved how the main character, Emily, was flawed but relatable, especially in the way she struggled with the trust issue. Let's move to step 3. No book is perfect, and that's okay. Even your favorite books probably had something that could have been better. Maybe the pacing was slow, the ending felt rushed, or a character didn't felt fully developed. Just be constructive. Instead of saying the book was boring, say the middle section dragged a bit, and I think it could have been tighter if some unnecessary scenes were cut. Let's move to step 4. Who would enjoy this book? This is a golden tip that many reviewers forget. Readers don't just want to know if you like, they want to know if they will like. Is it perfect for fans for a specific authors? Does it have fast-paced plot for thriller lovers? Would fantasy reader enjoy the world building? Think of it like book matchmaking, helping people find their perfect read. Step 5. Your final rating and recommendation. End your review with a final rating or recommendation. You can use star rating, number score, or even a simple must read or a skip it. And if you want to get creative, try fun rating scales like 4 out of 5 magical sword for a fantasy book, 5 out of 5 cups of coffee for a fast-paced thriller. Part 3. How to make your reviews stand out. Want to take your book reviews from average to amazing? Here are some insider tips. Be honest but respectful. Not every book will a 5-star rate, and that's okay. Just remember, critiquing a book is not the same as attacking an author. Use quotes from the book. Adding a short, powerful quote can make your review more authentic and engaging. Just be sure not to spoil any key moments. Make it personal. Tell people why this book matters to you. Did it make you cry? Did it change your perspective on something? Your personal experience makes your review unique. Concise. A review does not need to be an essay. Aim for 300 or 500 words or 2 to 5 minutes in a video review so it's easy to read or watch. That's it. Now, if you have everything you need to write better, more engaging book reviews, whether you are just out or looking to improve, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more bookish content. See you in the next video. Happy reading.